Now, so I just wanted to say hello to everyone and thank you for attending our session today. Before we start, I just want to remind everyone that the session's actually being recorded. So if you would like to keep your camera on or turn it off, it's your decision. I would quickly like to introduce the CPD team as well, just a little bit about us and what we do before I pass you on to Farhad, who's going to talk more about Lean Six Sigma. So the CPD team sits within the Department for Business Innovation, providing professional services support to academic teams working with external partners. The CPD Centre encompasses project management, contract management, commercial negotiations, administration, and course and learning design. So we design and deliver courses both online and face-to-face. We have a range of flexible short courses that have been developed to support continuing professional development within the university and workplace. So we have a lot of funding options as well, so we can make these courses affordable for some of our students. So I'm now going to just pass you on to Farhad, who's going to talk a little bit about Lean Six Sigma.
Thank you. Good morning, everyone. Lean Six Sigma. Session overview for today. First, introduction, then what is Lean, how to deploy Lean, what is Six Sigma, how to deploy Six Sigma, Lean versus Six Sigma, what is Lean Six Sigma, where can Lean Six Sigma be applied, and who makes Lean Six Sigma work, and finally, opportunities for Lean Six Sigma courses within UWS. First, short introduction about academic staff that they will deliver Lean Six Sigma. First, myself, I have over 20 years experience in manufacturing with a wide range of expertise in total productive maintenance, lean manufacturing, total quality, and continuous improvement. And I am certified ISO 9000 assessor and Lean Six Sigma Black Belt. Fellow of the Higher Education Academy and achieved the award of Outstanding Paper 2012 for my paper in maintenance engineering. And my colleague, Dr. Michel Keno, teaching, training, consulting, and researching Lean Six Sigma and quality management for over 20 years, certified Lean Six Sigma Black Belt, senior fellow of the Higher Education Academy, published research over 30 papers on quality and lean manufacturing, reviewer for major journals in Lean Six Sigma and quality, and member of the Charter Quality Institute Research Advisory Board. And another colleague, Dr. Adelaide Marzano, over 15 years experience in research in digital manufacturing and system engineering, 30 international peer-reviewed journal and conference publication in the domain of virtual modeling of advanced manufacturing system, certified ISO 9000 assessor and Lean Six Sigma Black Belt, and finally, fellow of the Higher Education Academy. First, we start from a framework for Lean. There are two different levels, strategic level and operational level. It's about tools. First, strategic level, Lean thinking 5 principles. We talk about that later. And then operational level, tools and technique that should be deployed for lean operations. We consider quality, responsiveness, and capacity for different aspects of production. And we will improve availability and variability of all different aspects of manufacturing and services. We want to eliminate different types of waste at the operational level based on 5 lean principles. The first one, understand the customer and their perception of value. Waste is anything perceived by the customer as not adding value to the goods or services they consume. So based on this definition, then we should identify the value stream for each process and the waste within. Then enable the value outflow, let the customer pull the value through the processes according to their needs. So the start point is from the customer's requirement. So customer should pull the value through the process, and continuous improvement, continuously pursue perfection. The roadmap for lean: first, as we already discussed, we should define value based on the customer demand. Then measure value. What is the customer demand? And the plan for data collection and measurement system. After that, we should analyze process flow, normally based on the value stream map. And we should identify value-added activities and non-value-added activities. After that, improve process pool, design the process changes and flow. We should standardize work tasks as well and implement new processes. And finally, control. Stabilize and refine the value stream, complete process and visual controls. Monitor results and close out project. Okay, it was lean. Now, what is Six Sigma? It is a business process that allows companies to drastically improve their bottom line. We want to minimize waste to increase customer satisfactions. Six Sigma provides specific methods and tools to recreate the process so that defects and errors never arise in the first place. Because Six Sigma is about statistical tools and methods, it's good to have some idea about it. It's a methodology, a set of tools for continuous improvement. Sigma is indication of variability within a sample. It means that if a product varies too widely from the average, it proves unacceptable and is then a defect. For example, too big to fit with another part is a defect. So Six Sigma can be used as an indicator of how many defective parts a process produces. Six Sigma simply means 3-point defects per million opportunities. It's near perfections. How to deploy Six Sigma? DMAIC is a methodology to deploy Six Sigma. First, define. We should define the problem opportunity. Then measure. We need to establish an accurate baseline, a picture. How the process is now is about current situation. Then analyze. Establish what is wrong with the process. We need to consider the root causes of the problem and then improve. Identify potential improvements, compare them, advantages, potential disadvantages, select the best one, pilot, and implement. And finally, control. make sure the improvement sticks. We need to measure the new process. Okay, we talked about two different methodologies, Lean and Six Sigma. What are the fundamental differences? For Lean, the main target is to improve speed. How? Elimination of waste, identification of value stream, achievement of flow, pacing by pull, not push. It means that start from the customer and continuous follow perfections. But for Six Sigma, reduced variation. We want to reduce variation in processes, systems, products. How? Via deploying the make, define, measure, analyze, improve, control. Lean is about simpler, a better way to do the jobs. And we focus on eliminate different types of wastes. We need to empower employee with a no blame culture. We should apply different tools and techniques such as fishbowl, cause and effect, basic but very strong tools to deploy Lean. But Six Sigma is about never-ending journey to improve customer satisfaction. We use different statistical tools and techniques to meet customer requirements. We should reduce defects and variability in processes, products. But the focus is on finding root causes of failures, problems. And we should have rigorous methodology for control. We can see that there are advantages from Lean and Six Sigma both. So the question is, where does Six Sigma fit with Lean? Both seek to deliver business improvement. They are different in methods and applicational tools. Lean mainly address the total working environment. How? Via reducing different types of waste. But Six Sigma mainly address the root cause of process variation processes, products, services, systems. So we can see there is significant benefit from using the most appropriate tools and improvement methodology to meet the customer's requirements. So because of that, now integrated approach, Lean Six Sigma, is the main methodology to improve processes, different types of processes. Integration of Lean thinking and Six Sigma strategy can maximize value by achieving rapid improvement in customer satisfaction, achieve low costs, higher productivity, higher quality, and faster process speed, and the best use of resources. So Lean Six Sigma as integrated approach provides effective tools and methodology to solve problems and create rapid transformational improvements at lower cost, and can be deployed in different fields, not just manufacturing. Lean Six Sigma can be applied management, administration, quality department, human resource, research and development, IT, production, purchase, design, service. You can see just some organization that use Lean Six Sigma to improve process. NHS, education system, banking, manufacturing, different types of services. Who makes Lean Six Sigma work? Lean Six Sigma activities are driven by levels of change agents with specific roles: champion, executive sponsor, makes resources available and responsible for the make. We use the phases, remove roadblocks, and support teams. Then, lower level, master black belts, project selection and reviews, the full-time job. Process improvement specialist, good at statistics and or soft issues. Also, they train black belt and coaching them. Black belts, full-time, detect and eliminate different types of defects, project leader, in-depth statistical understanding of tools, green belt training and coaching, and expected to complete 2 projects with 100K savings per project. Green belt, part-time involvement, about 20 to 50% of time, have daily job to do frontline change agents, required to complete 1 project saving about £30,000 and responsible to black belts. Yellow belts, part-time involvement, not normally expected to complete any project. Process owners, content functional experts work with green belts and black belts. Opportunities for Lean Six Sigma courses within UWS. Lean Six Sigma Yellow Belt course, Lean Six Sigma Green Belt course, and Lean Six Sigma Black Belt course. The course delivered within UWS accredited by ISSP, Institute of Six Sigma Professionals. Thank you for listening. So I am available if you have any questions.
Farhad, there's a question in the chat box. Someone's just asking if we have dates for the next Green Belt course.
Sorry, the chat box. What's the question?
Do we have any dates for the next Greenbelt course?
They should check regularly our website, CPD website, to find it. Yeah, it should be something after September, but the exact date TBC, so they can check your website regularly.
Any other questions for Farhad? No, so I think that might be it, Farhad. Yeah, so I just want to say thank you for everyone for attending. The recording for this session will be online this week, so if anybody wants to access it to go back and see anything that Farhad said, that will be available to you. I've also shared a link to the courses in the chat box, so you're able to click on that and find out a bit more there. And also, if you need us for anything, if you've got any further questions, you can contact us at cpd@uws.ac.uk, and we'll be happy to answer any questions that you've got. All right, thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you. Thank you.
See you later.